How to create a smooth directional blur effect in After Effects. Creating a smooth directional blur effect in After Effects is simple with the BCC plugin. This effect can add a nice touch to your editing projects. First, select the clips you want to use for this effect. Search for the BCC Directional Blur plugin and Effects and Presets. Set the blur amount to 50 and create a keyframe. Then, move forward in the timeline and set the blur amount to 0. Next, select the keyframes and make it easy using the shortcut F9. Go to the graph editor and copy my graph. You can also fine-tune the keyframes to achieve a better visual effect. If you want to use this effect for other clips, simply copy and paste the effect and keyframes. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.